Evaluating the growth and yield variability of selected cowpea, Vigna unguiculata L. Volp. Cultivars infected with cowpea aphid-borne mosaic virus and southern bean mosaic virus. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Cowpea is susceptible to a complex of insect pests and diseases, and they attack the crop from vegetative stage to storage, which forms part of the most important impediments to its profitable production. Virus diseases are the most damaging diseases of cowpea and represent a significant proportion of losses regarding the potential value of the crop in sub-Saharan Africa. This study was, therefore, conducted to determine the resistance of selected cowpea cultivars to single and mixed infections of CABMV and SBMV, and to ascertain the effects that these two viruses have on the selected cowpea cultivars in single and mixed infections. 8 cowpea, Vigna unguiculata L. Volp. Cultivars were evaluated for cowpea aphid-borne mosaic virus, CABMV, southern bean mosaic virus, SBMV, CABMV plus SBMV, and SBMV plus CABMV resistance under greenhouse conditions at the School of Agriculture and Agricultural Technology, Minna, Nigeria in 2016, lat 9° 40 N, long 6° 30 E at an altitude of 220 meters ASL. Virus-infected plants were evaluated independently using a completely randomized design with 3 replications. In single infections, cowpea seedlings were inoculated at 10 days after sowing, DAS, while in mixed infections the second virus inoculation was performed at 21 DAS. Disease incidence, symptom severity, plant growth and yield characters were recorded. Disease severity was evaluated based on a visual scale of 1 to 5. The data was subjected to analysis of variance, and Duncan's multiple range test was used for mean separation. Results showed that 100% infection was obtained regardless of the cultivar. The single and double virus infections reported in this study had significant and different effects on the 8 cowpea cultivars evaluated, which can be attributed to the different susceptibility levels of the cultivars to the respective viruses. High disease severity with a symptom score of 4.0 was recorded for all the cowpea cultivars infected with CABMV alone and CABMV plus SBMV, while moderate resistance with a symptom score of 3.0 was recorded only in cultivars IT09K to 31-1 and IT10K973-1 to SBMV, and in IT07K to 99-6 and IT10K973-1 to SBMV plus CABMV. Through the 4 virus treatments, seed weight per plant was significantly P less than 0.05, highest in IT10K843 infected with CABMV, which produced 3.5 G cultivar. IT07K to 99-6 inoculated with SBMV produced 4.9 G, while IT10K973-1 under CABMV plus SBMV infections produced 4.9 G, and IT07K to 98-9 infected with SBMV plus CABMV produced 4.4 G. The cowpea cultivar IT07K to 99-6, which gave the highest seed weight under single and double virus infections, can be exploited in hybridization studies to develop resistant cowpea varieties for use by farmers. Intensive biotechnological research that will result in the development of cowpea cultivars with multiple resistance to economically important viruses should be explored. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.